Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Namza Altaf from Soup, and today we are introducing another feature, which is basically online lecture sharing from teacher to students portal. So this is currently I'm logged in as a teacher. Now these are the classes that have been assigned to me with subjects right in front of them. Now let's say I go to nursery A and I go to lecture slash notes, where I go and I upload a video with the name of, let's say, G chapter number 4, okay, or number 3 explains anything. Okay, this is a sample video, so I'll be writing sample things over here. Select the subject, and now I choose the file. So I choose this file, let's say. Now it will upload. The system will also showing you that how much is uploaded if you look at the bottom. So now system is actually processing your video. Here system will be a little slow depending upon the video size. Okay, after some time the video will be uploaded and system will also process it in the background. You'll see it right away. Just give us like 10 seconds. So the video is actually uploaded, and if you see, this is chapter number 3, and here you can see the status, which is processing. Okay, as soon as system gets done with processing the video, it will show you that it's uploaded now. Okay, the download button will appear over here. Let's say if I refresh, and this will happen within a matter of minutes usually. Now it will process the video, and after some time it will be available. Okay, so for the purpose of sake of the demo, what we can do is we can watch some other video that how students will actually watch the video. So if you click on the view button, system will actually open up a video over here. You can see यहाँ पे वीडियो चल जाएगी, ठीक है जी, यहाँ से आपका स्टूडेंट जो है वीडियो देखेगा. Now if I go to the students portal, which I'm logged in as a student, this is the dashboard. And now if I go to nursery A and I go to resources over here, system should show me all the videos the teacher has uploaded. So it's right in front of you, right? The teacher has uploaded the video this, explaining the concepts, chapter number 3, which we just uploaded. Okay, now student will click on the button get video link. As soon as student clicks on it, basically his attendance has been recorded over here. So now if he views, now you can see he'll be able to see the video over here, your student. On the teacher side, if we go back on the teacher side, there is this button with the report. Now if you go to the report, system will show you who has watched the video and who has not. So if you look at it, this guy has watched the video at this time. Okay, so this is how it's going to work. This feature will help you out in consider in these circumstances, at least, where you can actually upload the video lectures and facilitate your students. Thank you very much.